Hey guys, just want to do a really quick review for you on this repotting mat. I got it because I do a lot of indoor gardening and my wife hates when I make a mess all over our stuff. So I was looking for something to, help me, do my business, do my transplants and not make a big mess and have easy cleanup. So I came across this thing, which it's a really simple product, right? It's basically kind of like a tarp-like material with these snaps that they installed on the corners. So, you unsnap all four corners and it lays down flat. Snap them to create a tray. So it's really cool, like I said, for me when I'm doing like transplanting and stuff in them so I don't get dirt all over, but kind of an off use that I realized for it is actually my kids doing painting or like staining little artworks and stuff. This works great for it. You see, I don't know, like I have a wood table, so it really helps to keep them from getting, paint or whatever on my tables or working on like different things, so you don't have to scratch the table up. So, you can sit at your good tables or whatever and not have to worry about getting them ruined. But like I said, primary purpose for me was transplanting, and it's been really easy. My wife's been a lot happier again because it's so simple. You have it. You make your mess in here, my dirt, you can just kind of pick it up easily and walk it over and dump it outside or anything and unsnap it, fold it up and put it away. So something like this has been, like I said, simple but highly effective, and I highly recommend it.